Ayan, magandang araw mga ka-self-drive. So, kwentuhan ko lang kayo nung latest na happenings sa car rental operations natin. Dahil kahapon, may masamang nangyari. Dahil isa sa member natin ng Southside Car Rental Fleet at subscriber ng AutoGuard Pro ay muntik matangayan ng Toyota Fortuner. Nadali siya ng Rentangay Syndicate. Buti na lang, sinunod niya yung ating recommended security settings or setup. At saka yan yung gusto kong pag-usapan natin ngayon. Ano ba yung mga factor na naka-affect dun sa pagkasalba nung kanyang sasakyan? So, alam ko sa karamihan naman sa mga car rental operators ay may GPS tracker. Pero kasi tulad ng sinasabi ko nga sa mga kasamahan natin, ang GPS tracker is just the first layer of defense. Hindi siya yung pinaka layer ng defense natin. Kumbaga ano yan, importante yan pero dapat masunod mo lahat ng layer of defense na tinatawag natin. So, una, discuss pa rin natin yung GPS. Hindi sapat kasi na basic GPS lang yung gamit mo. Ang dapat na GPS na gamit mo ay dapat meron siyang voice monitoring function, tsaka syempre dapat meron siyang kill engine. At napaka-importante din na mamili kayo ng GPS na gagamitin nyo dahil napakaraming GPS na makikita sa Facebook Marketplace, sa Shopee, sa Lazada na mura naman talaga. Pero syempre, una-una, wala siyang after-sale support. Pangalawa, hindi rin nyo alam kung paano in-install yung GPS. Iba kasi dyan, ma-install lang, okay na. Kaya importante na una, tama yung brand ng GPS na ginagamit nyo, tama yung modelo, at tama yung pagkaka-install kasi hindi pwedeng install lang yan. Tulad yan na sinabi ko, may ibang klase ng installation ng GPS. So, ang gamit namin itong SGO GPS. So, ito meron tong voice monitoring at kill engine function. May kamahalan siya. Pero you get the worth of the GPS. Talagang ginawa to para sa car rental operations. This would cost you around 5,000 pesos each, including the installation and the home service in select areas. Pangalawa, hindi sapat na isa lang ang GPS mo sa sasakyan. At least 4 pataas. Dahil itong GPS nakatago to sa all around other parts of your car. So, hindi lang to sa loob ng dashboard. Meron tayong mga pinagtataguan ng GPS. At hanggat maaari, marami. Kasi the more GPS that you have, is going to be harder to find. Lalo na kung madali kayo ng sindikato. And it's going to give you ample time to rescue your vehicle. Kasi halimbawa, yung unang GPS nyo or yung primary GPS nyo nahanap. So, automatic, pag pinutol yan, magtatawag na sa inyo or magte-text na na-power cut na yung GPS nyo. So, right there and then, matatrack mo pa yung iba mo pang GPS at marirescue mo pa yung unit mo. So, kailangan umaction ka na agad. Pangalawa, in terms of yung sinatawag nating action agad, importante din na meron kang support community. Dahil ang support community is a network of other operators and other people in different government branches such as HPG, NBI, Krame, Coast Guard. Dahil the moment na maputulan ka ng GPS, kailangan you only have a few hours to rescue your car. So, importante na meron ka network ng kasamang operators all across the Philippines. At the same time, may connection tayo sa different branches of government that will be able to assist you. So, yun yung pangalawa. And, saan makukuha or saan mamahanap yung community or support group na yan? So, ang support group naman is going to be included when you subscribe to AutoGuard Pro. AutoGuard Pro is the latest addition in the technology that we are using here in the car rental operations. And discuss lang natin quickly, ano ba yung AutoGuard Pro? So, AutoGuard Pro is a mobile app. It's in Apple App Store and Google's Play Store. So basically, ito ay isang car rental management app wherein andyan yung mga basic functions such as yung booking calendar, price calculator, and even you can also get bookings if you install AutoGuard Pro dahil connected siya sa GoDrive app. GoDrive app is yung naman yung booking app ng mga renters. Pero most importantly, AutoGuard Pro has the biggest database of blacklisted renters. It's also updated real time. So, the moment na makareceive ka ng inquiry, pwede mo na agad i-check yung pangalan na nag-i-inquire sa sasakyan mo. Dahil kung meron siyang record, kung nagkaroon siya ng hit dyan, then red flag na agad yun. Meaning to say, hindi na recommended na parentahan siya. Right now, we already have 7,000 names of blacklisted renters all across the Philippines. And it's updated daily. Kaya napakaganda na meron kayong AutoGuard Pro na naka-install. So, yun yung pangalawa, yung community yung support group na connected sa GPS. Again, number 1, GPS. Pangalawa is yung support group, which is in the AutoGuard. Pangatlo, again, AutoGuard Pro. Yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, meron tayong blacklist. And kahit magkaroon kayo ng bad experience sa inyong renter, pwede nyo isubmit yan dito sa AutoGuard Pro, and then our admin team, our staff will verify the report. If tama yung claim, then they will be blacklisted. Another thing that we're using to provide us more security and of course peace of mind is the dashcam system. Yung dashcam system, again, dapat tama rin yung klase ng dashcam na naka-install. Ayan yan. Kita niyo ba? Yan. So, ang dashcam, hindi rin pwedeng normal na dashcam. Meron tayong mga specifications na hinahanap sa dashcam. Unang-una, dapat hardwired ang dashcam. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito yung nakakonect lang sa cigarette port kasi madali siyang matanggal, right? Pangalawa, dapat meron siyang network capability. Ibig sabihin, yung dashcam mo, it's also a GPS tracker. Dahil you can also track your car using the dashcam. And then, more importantly, it should have the live monitoring function. Ibig sabihin, at any time na gusto mong makita yung nakikita ng dashcam mo, you will be able to see that and access your dashcam regardless kung nakapatay yung sasakyan nyo. So, kahit naka-engine off yan, when you open the dashcam app, you'll be able to see the front and the cabin view of the dashcam. And then, yun nga, ang kagandahan dun is meron siyang 24/7 live monitoring. So, yun, on-demand access at the same time, meron na rin siyang ADAS at BSD. So, ano ba yung ADAS at BSD na feature na sinasabi natin? ADAS is the Advanced Driver Assistance System. So, it helps your renters avoid accidents, yung mga bangga-bangga. Kasi, tsaka yung BSD, yung blind spot monitoring. It will alert your renters kung may obstruction sa kalsada, sa gilid, or sa harap. And that will save you money and save you from the hassle of a car na damage ng renter. So, yun yung importante. Ngayon, in terms of the pricing, again, these types of dashcam, it is not your regular dashcam. So, the compact dashcam starts at 12,000 pesos and then the full screen dashcam starts at 14,000 pesos. Pero kasama naman dyan ang installation and home service in select areas. Ngayon, kung outside Cavite kayo or outside or malayo talaga, that's fine. We'll just charge you an additional transportation fee. So, yun yung mga setup na nire-recommend ko. Ngayon, if you are subscribed to AutoGuard Pro or if you want to subscribe to AutoGuard Pro, just visit autoguardpro.ph and then meron tayong 1-day free trial dyan para ma-check nyo yung features and benefits ng app. Ngayon, just a reminder, when you register dito sa AutoGuard Pro, make sure that you fully submit whatever is being required, such as your Facebook link and your Facebook business link because our admins reviews the applications of the users. Kasi syempre, ayaw naman natin na mapasok tayo ng sindikato. So, we only allow registration coming from legitimate car rental operator. So, okay lang kung wala kayong DTI or BIR as long as upon our background check sa pag-CI ng mga admin namin, makita namin na talaga nag-operate kayo ng car rental business. Then, you'll be approved access or you will be given access to AutoGuard Pro. So, yun lang naman. Hindi ko na kayo papatagalin pa. If you have any questions or kung kailangan nyo magpa-install ng GPS or dashcam, meron kaming physical office dito sa Kawit, Cavite. Just search Kawit South Bro Complex, and then we have an office here, Southside Car Rentals and Car Accessories. You can also call and text us at 0995-106-5404. So yun, magandang hapon sa inyo mga ka-self-drive at ingat sa mga renta at good luck sa inyong mga car rental businesses. Bye guys!